To put it on record that I was not in a position to finalize my consultation due to the information that is insufficient. The 205 records. I was unable to finalize my consultation because I did not have sufficient information.
Which information is that?
The records in terms of Section 205. In respect of the two numbers, the number that is allegedly belonging to accused number 2 and 5.
So you want the records of which date? The 205, Section 205 applications?
Yes, I need the 205 applications as well as the records for the two numbers. The 071-595-1239. It is said it belonged to Fiso Wutlentuli, accused number 5. And the number 079-379-0137. It is said it belonged to Sitemba Sibiya, accused number 1. I'm not in a position, my lord, to commence my cross-examination because even this witness cannot tell us as to when such a communication occurred.
Mr. Baloyi.
As a court, please, my lord, we did finish all the Section 205s that we had to the defense on a disk. And we've indicated, my lord, that the expert from Vodacom will be coming to testify. If Mr. Nxumalo doesn't have any questions to this witness, he can put whatever questions to the expert who will be testify on the Section 205s.
No, let's take it slow.
Yes.
You say you finished, the whole defense.
Yes.
You finished them with the Section 205
yes.
appendages.
Yes.
All of them.
Yes, all of them, my lord. We did finish them with the Section 205s, and we on a disk. They then subsequently indicated that they cannot decipher or the gadgets that they were using cannot decipher the disk, and we did download the information on a memory stick.
And then you gave it to them?
Yes, and gave it to them. But we were only informed yesterday, my lord, by Advocate Nxumalo that his device cannot read the disk. And we said he should provide us with a memory stick. That's where the discussion ended up, my lord.
So it's not correct when Mr. Nxumalo says he doesn't have that information. He has it, it's just that his disk cannot download it.
Yes, that's what he told us
Yesterday. Where did you finish, Mr. Nxumalo, with the disk? I mean, the memory stick?
Yeah, we said, my lord, if he provides us with a memory stick, we will be able to download
Has
the
he done
information.
so? Has he provided?
When we adjourned yesterday, my lord, that had not happened as yet.
But
my colleague tells me that he did give it
to
that he did give it to Mr. Nxumalo.
Yesterday?
Yes.
It is true, my lord, that there was information that I was provided yesterday, but it is not for the numbers. It is not for the requested numbers. So that information is not relevant for purposes of my cross-examination to this witness.
So you don't. Where's your memory stick?
I've got the memory stick, my lord. It was.
Have you downloaded the information from that stick?
Yes, I was provided with information yesterday, but that information is not.
Wait. You were provided with that information yesterday.
I was provided with some information, the records, the 205 records yesterday.
So what's the problem now?
That information is not relevant to the numbers.
Well, this is what they gave you. Mr. Baloyi, he says you gave him irrelevant information.
My lord, there's over 4,000 of data. If perhaps my friend wants to zoom in on perhaps specific information, maybe we should then maybe get together with our expert and see if we cannot separate that information that he requires from the rest of the data that we have.
So you say the book, it's about 4,000?
It's over 4,000 pages.
Numbers.
Yes.
And you, according to you, you are going to lead your evidence in respect of how many thousands or
Yes.
how many thousands?
Yes.
Let's start there.
Well, the expert is only going to
Five
select-
numbers.
Yeah, only going to select certain information that is relevant for the court purpose.
But it relates to 5 numbers.
Yes,
It must be. Otherwise, I'm in a different court.
yes.
They say it's 5 numbers. 5 numbers. Which is relevant in that 4,000. And you know the 5 numbers because we've been listening to the evidence. Now, what is your problem, sir?
I did not even get.
Okay.
I did not even get to see the 2 numbers that I'm interested in.
Now, they say it's not me saying it, it's Mr. Baloyi.
Malot, maybe we should take an adjournment and let's try and
You want us to adjourn until tomorrow then?
try and find each other.
Mr. Ramusipidi, were you provided with the relevant Section 205 numbers?
If it may please the court, my
Hello?
lord. If it may please the court, my lord, we were provided with a CD-ROM
Yes.
last year, and
Last year?
yes, even then I indicated to my learned colleague that I did receive same.
Last year? Mr. Baloyi, last year, is it last year?
Yes, last year.
I thought you were talking about this month.
No, we did.
When last year?
I think that was towards the end of the year. I think around October, if I'm not
October,
mistaken.
last year.
Yes, yeah.
And Mr. Nxumalo knows that he doesn't have all the information since October last year. He just sits. Is that the position, sir? They say you got this disc last year, October.
I couldn't open it.
Yeah, but then if you can't open it in October, then you go to Baloyi and say, hey, I can't open this disc. Now it's October, November, December, January, February, March, April.
That information was related by my colleague.
It was what?
It was related by my colleague, Mr. Ramsepele, to the state that we can't open the disk. It was.
I'm shocked, you know. Maybe I set high standards for myself. October, you've got the information. You're preparing for a major case like this. And since October, you don't know the information in the disk. Even today, you don't know the information in the disk.
I know
Is that
the,
not so?
I know the information
So
on
why
the
do you
disk.
want
It's not relevant.
If it's not relevant, then you don't ask any questions which are irrelevant according to your defense. You say it's not relevant. He says it's relevant in terms of the fact that at least five numbers, you say, which are encapsulated in the downloading analysis of Mr. House. Then you say it's irrelevant. Fine. So what is the problem?
Maybe I can propose, my lord, that we adjourn until 2, since the state is going to assist us to get the correct information.
What's your time, sir? Hey. Yeah, no. Quarter past?
16 minutes past 12.
Do you want us to adjourn until tomorrow? I'll do it
Not until
because this is how
tomorrow.
we act.
No, for the sake of finality, I'm requesting until 2 o'clock this afternoon, not tomorrow.
Okay, 2 o'clock.